What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's going to be harvest time here soon, but for right now I got another feeding. I'm going to check on how these corn on the cob and the husks are doing. Hey, jackpot. I don't even know what it was. Has no smell, so I don't know. But they were all hanging out by that. Let's see. Here's the corn on the cob. They're kind of burrowing right through it still. This hole's kind of soft. Okay, here's the husk. Oh yeah, little worm party going on. Another little pocket of worms. Okay, here's the other piece of corn on the cob. Cool. Okay. So, time to give this a good mixing. I'm still trying to remember what the heck this is. Oh. I have no idea. I'll have to look back what I fed last week. Whatever it is, the worms are enjoying it. I'll drop the husk down at the bottom. And same with the corn on the cob. And these pieces, I'm actually going to leave the filter in there and add a new filter. This is a feeding that they should really enjoy. I'm going to have to start kind of backing off the moisture a little bit, so these will be ready to harvest. But I have celery, cross section of cucumber. And then a cross section of a big old piece of zucchini. So I'll put that there. As I said, with getting close to harvest time, I'm going with a little bit of this azomite to help keep adding some minerals to the castings. I will go ahead and add my ground up eggshells because I keep eating eggs and keep making them, and I'm going to be inundated with ground eggshells if I don't do something with them soon, so they got to go in. And then on top, a little bit of that worm chow. So just in case you didn't get a chance to see when I made up the worm chow, it's flour, cornmeal, and 2 parts expired oats. I ground up the oats. The flour and the cornmeal were already pretty finely ground, and then mixed everything together with a little bit of eggshell. So that's where the feeding is. I'm thinking between the cucumber and the zucchini, there should be a nice little party happening around those areas. So thanks for coming along, checking out the video, everybody. Have a great day.